Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. So, thanks for joining. Manjunath, can you introduce yourself so that others also will get inspiration from you?
Yes, sir. Myself, Manjunath, faculty of Nalanda Gurukula International Public School, located near Madikeri, Kushal Nagar, and I have around 12 years of experience in computer teaching, Java, and C++. I am more likely to wanted to learn more about programming language, and I am really grateful for Kiran sir for guiding us all the time.
Yeah, thanks, Manjunath. What do you want to learn in today's session?
Something new about technology, sir, which I can implement in my school.
Okay, thank you.
One thing can I share you, sir?
Hedi.
So recently, I have introduced Google Form in our school, and everybody were appreciating that.
Very good.
Most of them were not aware how Google Forms works and how we can implement questions using paragraphs, multiple choice questions, and all. This time, I have introduced, and everybody were appreciating. Almost, I got around 171 response from the parents. So likewise, I want to know or learn more new things which can implement to the institution to benefit the management as well as the parents.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah, good to know that. Do let us know what progress you make and how students are coming forward. Folks, for your information, he is not teaching to BCA or MCA, he is teaching to high school students. Is it not, Manjunath?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so high school students are in Madikeri, in Bailukuppe, by the way, it's not even in Madikeri. In that place, such a remote area, and they are learning technology ahead of all of you who are in Bangalore. Okay, so if you keep quiet like this, look at it where the competition will come from. Okay, I am not scaring you, but this is the fact. Even though it is lockdown, even though classes are not happening, look at who is teaching whom, and look at how Manjunath is going all the way on Saturdays and Sundays to learn from wherever it is coming from and going and giving back to his students. Okay, so please feel free. At least the least you can do today is just unmute and speak, even if
Sir,
you don't learn anything.
One more thing, sir?
Hedi.
Sir, the thing is, we have incorporated with Next Education app, sir, that is basically located in Hyderabad and Bangalore. We have taken it for 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th, and 8th, sir. From 3rd to 8th, we have started, and first week it was a trial-based version, and parents and the students are happy about that. Only the problem is with the network connectivity. But it is like, sir, students are coming to the school itself. It gives the impression like that. We have scheduled the timetable in such a way that school is running. So every period the teacher will be notification and the parents will also get notified, and then the live class will be taken wherever the teachers are there in their respective house, and they start teaching, and students are also joining, and around 95% to 90% of attendance is getting daily, and it is quite interesting for the teachers as well as students, sir. Next Education live class, sir. It is about live class.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thanks, Manjunath. They are good to see you have gone for a commercial platform. Yeah, good to know. Yeah, anybody wants to share? I see one interesting name, Taylor Swift. Is it a student or a teacher or a guest? Is it a nickname or is it real name? Yeah, Sainam, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Kiran.
Yeah. Would you like to say something or at least give some thoughts to these students who are keeping quiet?
See, I think, guys, first of all, good morning to everyone. I think Kiran has, has been making an effort to connect all the students who are interested to learn as well as plan for their careers ahead. It's a wonderful opportunity, and that too somebody is investing his time to teach the people at free of cost, and not only that, to inspire people. You should come forward, utilize the opportunity. I'm sure all of you have joined the call because you wanted to learn. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here. So as you are already on the call, it's important that you open up and speak up so that we understand how we can guide you, and also as well as help you to move up in your education as well as the careers. Okay. So just start speaking up. Some of us mentors are willing to and would love to help you out in whatever chosen field you want to excel. So please open up and start speaking. Only then we know what you are looking for and how we can guide.
Yeah, thanks, Sairam. Just for your information, every year India produces 10 lakh engineers. Out of that, not all are employable. Okay, good percentage of them are not finding jobs. Very soon, you are going to compete with them who are engineering graduates. So that means there are engineering graduates who are ready to take away your job. They don't mind less salary, they don't mind not so lucrative jobs or not so white collared. Okay, so yeah, it is the business world is there is cutthroat competition. So each one of you, if you don't show you are unique, why will somebody hire you? Right? Why will somebody pay you salary, whether it is 20,000, 30,000, unless you return back at least 2 to 3 times that value to that organization? So, and of course, there is always a way to be self-employed. Okay, I see a lot of youngsters, irrespective of their education background, getting self-employed. Okay, now let me come back before you start getting bored about the lectures which you are getting. Okay, now that I have risen some expectation about Raspberry Pi, let me first tell you what is Raspberry Pi, and then I will get into the business part. Okay, because quite a few are new to technology, that's what I understood. Otherwise, I would have directly started with business use case, then I would have caught you off the track, and none of you would have understood anything. Okay, let me just share my screen. Yeah, Uma madam, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir, I can see, sir.
Okay, so Apeksha, can you tell me what you're seeing here? Apeksha?
Apeksha, unmute and speak.
Or Vijay, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಪ್ಪ? What are you seeing on my screen?
Sir, Raspberry Pi 4.
ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ನ?
ಸರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನನಗನ್ಸದ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, 2 ಇಂಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತುಂಬಾ ಏನೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಓಕೆ,
ಇವಾಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ದೊಡ್ಡದನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Oh, very good, very good. What if I tell you this is as powerful as your laptop or desktop?
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್?
ಅಷ್ಟು.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ನೋ ಸರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದರಿಂದ.
Shall I show you the actual device? It's sitting on my table.
Yes, sir.
Let me just switch on my camera. Stop the sharing of this. ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕಾಣಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್. ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
This is as I'm not joking. Okay, I can do this session what I am doing now using this alone, nothing else. I don't need a monitor, by the way.
Okay.
This is a full-fledged CPU. Now let
CPU,
me CPU. CPU ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ?
ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದು
ಸರ್? ಅದೇ ಕೊಡೋದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ನೋಡಿ, ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪೋರ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ.
HDMI ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
This directly connects to HDMI monitor. Okay.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನೇನು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. This is Raspberry Pi 4. Okay. Now let me show you Raspberry Pi model 0, which is the little brother.
இங்க இருக்கு பாரு.
Vijay, you have to unmute. I have muted all. There is some background.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು Raspberry Pi model 0. This is Raspberry Pi model. This is Raspberry Pi 3 what I am having. 4 also looks the same. Okay.
ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ this can do exactly what this can do. Only thing is this is slightly faster, whereas this is slightly slower, but capability wise this can also do Word, PowerPoint, Excel, everything. This can also do Python. You wanted to learn Python? No, this comes pre-installed with Python.
Oh.
And do you know the cost of this? Can you guess?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ನೀನು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಒಂದು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಇದೇನು ಲಾಟ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು 5,000.
1,500 rupees. It's available in Bangalore. This cost 3,000 rupees. Raspberry Pi model 3. Raspberry Pi model 4, since it has this has only 1 GB RAM, whereas this Raspberry Pi 4, let me just bring it back. Since this has up to 8 GB, it costs entire kit. Basically, you also need HDMI cable. You need lot many things. It costs about 7,500 rupees. But you will get very, very fast computer, which you can do whatever you want, including machine learning.
Okay.
Let me do one more magic here. I have muted all. So, Vijay, unmute yourself again.
Yes, sir.
ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
ನೋಡಿ, now some magic will happen. Switch the lights off.
Yes, sir.
I'm on it.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Okay,
Light.
most of them are off. The study light is not responding.
Voice sensor, sir.
Switch the lights off.
Just a moment, okay? The lights are off.
Switch the lights on.
Okay, the lights are on.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ?
No, sir.
How did this magic happen?
What is this?
After switching off the light, the phone also announced that lights are off, right? Did you hear that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how did the magic happen?
ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ
ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ
Sir,
ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಷಿಯನ್.
ಮೈಕ್ ಇರತ್ ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಬಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೈಥಾನ್?
ಅದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಿಷನ್.
ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವೈಫೈ ನಾವು.
Hello sir, namaste.
ಹಾಂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
Myself Vamshi Krishna.
ಹಾಂ ವಂಶಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
So I'm studying in third year BCA right now in Vidya Composite Degree College.
ಯಾ ವಂಶಿ.
So ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನು. So the lights is switching on and switching off. So this is all due to the artificial intelligence what is happening.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹಾಂ.
So ಈ artificial intelligence ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ we need to learn a certain object oriented programming languages like Java, Python, C#. So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. So we need to implement it.
Very good. Yeah, you're right. And I have used Raspberry Pi to implement this, by the way.
Yes sir. So
This is
ಇವಾಗ
another component.
yeah fine. Sorry for interrupting you sir. Yeah.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
So ನೀವೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟರಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾಂ, ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ರಾಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಪೈ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಾಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಪೈ 4 and another component. This is another component called relay.
Relay. So what do it do sir actually?
This relay is the connection between here. This has 220 volts connection this side. Okay, there are 4 switches here. I can control 4 lights using this.
4 lights.
4 lights. On this side, it hooks on to Raspberry Pi. Let me just show you where it hooks on. So you might not be able to see the pins here. Are you able to see the pins? There are some pins here.
No sir, I am not clearly able to see.
Yeah, and then let me show the screen. On the picture you can see. Hold on. Yeah, here. Are you seeing the pins on the top where my mouse is moving?
Yes sir. So that's like an RAM slot over there.
Slot ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ this goes in. This relay will go and fit there. One ನಿಮಿಷ. This relay will sit because this has the slots here which will neatly go and sit. Okay. So this is the hardware part of it. ಏನಪ್ಪ?
So how many pins do it consist sir? So ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು RAM ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so there will be some this one right, the pins
40 pins.
Yeah, 17 pins, 14 pins like that.
40.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask your question.
So how much do it consist sir? So ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ in the seconds it need to be handled right. So ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು in a seconds it will make changes. So you just told turn off the lights. In a second it replied it. So ಹಂಗೆ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ how much pins it will consist?
No, pin is just the hardware. It is just a piece of metal. It's a piece of copper. The pin doesn't do anything. It will just transfer the voltage. Okay. The magic happens here. Magic happens in this RAM. 8 GB RAM ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ it happens inside. It is inside the CPU. Okay. And the magic happens through the Python code which has been written, right? Which has been written. And as I think Vamshi said, it is using machine learning. Okay. It is also a part of comes as part of artificial intelligence. Okay. And interestingly, it is all done in Python and of course using some other packages called TensorFlow and scikit-learn.
Sir, and I have another small doubt.
Helpa.
Can you please clarify it me?
Go ahead.
Sir, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ so there are 10 lakh plus engineers are passing out from India per year. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ not even a single means I think 0.5% to 1% are getting the jobs. So what is the use means ಇವಾಗ ಮಿಗತಾ means 1% ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so these 99% people will pour more. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ? So what we need to learn and what we need not to learn.
ನೀನು ಹೇಳು. What's your guess?
So I think the 99% people who are not securing the jobs, I think there are some bookworms. So book ಏನಿದೆ, they try to reproduce it the same. So the remaining 1% people ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ, so they have some unique knowledge, I think. So ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So they know something else, something different from the 99% one. So they are some unique. So how we need to build it? The uniqueness, how we need to build it, the uniqueness. So what are the things we need to do? So what are the programming or the coding languages we need to learn?
Good question. Good question. This session is also one in that direction. Now, before this session, you had not seen Raspberry Pi. Now you know Raspberry Pi.
No, sir. Once I saw. So I think you were taking Python classes, right? So on a Sunday, I just came to that Google Meet. So I think from Germany and means a boy called from Germany, right? So ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋವಾಗ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ರಾಸ್ಬೆರಿ ಪೈ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
Okay, good. Then afterwards, did you tell your friends that you are attending classes on Sunday?
No, sir. So our teacher itself told us. So I think Ravikirti sir told us. So from him we just joined them.
But you didn't tell Vijay?
Sir, they were in the group, I think, sir. So they were in the group.
Okay. Anyway, here is the secret. Keep sharing whatever you learn. Right? Hold on. Let me finish with Vamshi. So here is the secret, folks. All of you, why I am sharing with all of you? Because I will learn by sharing with you. I am not losing anything, right? I am not losing my knowledge. I am increasing my knowledge. So all of you, please share with your friends what you are learning. Now today you learned that I did some magic. It is not a magic, right? It's science. It is pure physics. What I did, my voice went and some basically chip got vibrated on my phone, and that translated into some whatever command which went and switched on the light or switched off the light, right? It's pure physics or pure electronics or computer science. It doesn't matter. So before this session you were not aware, but now at least you know what is possible. And now me along with my friends, we are ready to teach exactly how to do this if you want to replicate in your home.
Yes, sir. We are ready to.
Okay. The only thing which will stop you is your interest. And interest is free, right?
Yes, sir.
So all of you can learn. All you need is set aside 60 minutes or 90 minutes every Sunday to come and listen. And of course, what is the point in listening? Like as if you are seeing a movie, if you don't even practice it. Right?
Yes, sir. We need to practice it. So
If I eat a nice breakfast, who is benefiting? Is it me or those who are seeing me?
So
okay,
the person who is eating it. The person who is eating it.
The person has to do it if you want to learn. Now to answer to your question, why 10 lakh people are unemployed? Because they are not doing it. They are only seeing it.
Yes, sir.
So if you do, for example, if you do this Python program where it can translate speech to text and text to the command, why will anybody not hire you? Even I will hire you.
Yes, sir.
Right? That's what we need today. Why? What is OK Google is doing? What is Hey Siri is doing? Or Cortana is doing? Right? Everybody is doing.
Yes, the same thing what you did right now.
Same thing. Everybody is doing. And everybody has their own market. Right? I am not taking away anybody's market by doing this.
Yes, sir.
So that is the trick. Now, how did I come to know in my study room I can switch on or switch off the light using Python? How did I come to know? Infosys didn't teach me that. Neither Malnad College of Engineering, where I studied in 1988. At the time there was not even a computer.
Yes, sir.
Then how did I do it now? Right? Out of my own interest, I went and Googled or searched or seen and learned on my own and decided to implement. Now look at how peacefully I am enjoying that, and I am sharing with all of you.
Yes, sir.
So it's easy. And There is no age limit for that. I learnt it over last 2 years.
Yes.
Okay.
So
after
the one and only thing what we need to do is to learn and to implement it.
Yes. You have to keep practicing. Whether you pass or fail, that doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
If you don't even take your first step, how will it help?
So it will not help us, sir. So it will not fetch us anything. So the failure is the first step of success, right? So we need
Yeah.
to fail it and then we need to succeed over that.
Yeah. But you have to fail fast,
Yeah. We need to fail fast.
so that
So
you
it will
can
not
learn
take
fast
a long
also.
time. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me open that site again, so that I will show more. Okay. So now this site, interestingly, this is the site who manufacture Raspberry Pi, by the way. And why did they create Raspberry Pi, such a small computer? To teach all of you, to ensure the computer is affordable. Look at it, all the pictures are, Shah Rukh Khan is not coming here, right? All the students are coming here, all the children are coming here. Okay, it is meant for all of you to learn. Look at it, they have created a separate tab for education. Okay, what they are doing in education, how people are using in education, right? Look at it, all the projects which children are doing across the world, starting from Hello World, how to get started, everything is there. Then downloads, how to basically prepare Raspberry Pi once you buy it, what is the operating system it uses. Okay, if you buy a laptop, you don't even know what operating system, who installs it, how to install it. Whereas here you will know end to end, starting from scratch, you can install the operating system yourself. Okay. Now there is a community of teachers is there, community of students is there. You can go and create your own club and you can do. So this entire thing is about education. And look at it, they have also listed projects. If you want to create a website, you can create using Raspberry Pi. If you want to create games, you can. If you want to create music, you can. If you want to create robot, how cool it will be, right? What, Vamshi? You can create your own robot.
Yes, sir. It's so cool that means namde own robot idre we can do whatever we need, right? So it's cool, sir. We need to learn it. That's it.
Yeah. So now let's come to how Raspberry Pi is doing in business. Anybody has any question? Okay, now let's do Google for Raspberry Pi in business. Let's see how it is being used in business. Like, otherwise this will look like a kid's toy, right? Then what will you do? Who will give you a job if you say I did a robot in Raspberry Pi? Okay, how many? There are 470 million, 41 million records came. Okay, so there are, now let me tell you another very interesting concept. Okay, look at it. What is NEC doing? Have you heard of NEC?
No, sir. We didn't.
Now this logo have you not seen?
No, sir.
Let me do Google and show you. This is a Japanese company who is into large displays. This is, okay, this is their website. Look at this. They are using Raspberry Pi in this product of NEC. Can you believe it?
Battery 50%.
So interesting, right, Vamshi?
Yes, sir.
So if you learn Raspberry Pi, look who will hire you. NEC Japan will hire you. Okay, now you saw the connect, right? Even though it started like a toy. Okay, how did I go here? All I did was Google. This is all I did. Raspberry compute in large displays. And NEC is talking about Raspberry Pi on their website, which is open to the public. What is the advantage? Look at the cost of this Raspberry Pi compute. 4,000 rupees even in India. And these display solution sells over 10 lakhs or 20 lakh rupees. Okay. And look at this 4,000 rupees module doing inside that. Why they want to do this? Because if they want to upgrade their capability, all they need is to replace this Raspberry Pi compute model, because the display is dumb. It's just a display, right? There is no intelligence in display. Intelligence comes through this compute module. And how cool it will be if all of you learn how to program on this compute module. Anyway, Raspberry Pi manufactures this. You are not manufacturing this. You are into software. And look at how easy to learn this software. Okay, you can have your own by paying 3,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees for Raspberry Pi Zero. And you can join our Sunday's class for free, or you can just come here and learn, or you can go to YouTube, and there are millions of people who are doing this and sharing this. Like how I learned how to make this remote controlled, voice controlled lights. Let me just show you that as well. Cool, right?
Yes, sir.
Look at it, how many videos are there? I looked one of the video and built it myself.
So even we can build like this, right?
That's why I am showing you. Okay, anybody else has questions? I have been talking to only Vamshi. Apeksha, Pratiksha, Vijay.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, doesn't the light need any software or something so that it will connect to the Raspberry Pi system?
No. Actually, let me show you what light I am using. Give me a second, I will just get it. It's just behind this monitor. Let me get it. Can you see the bulb?
Yes, sir.
Does it look like any hi-fi bulb?
No, sir.
Yeah, that's the magic. This is just 100 rupees I paid. This is a Crompton. It's available in the electrical shop next to my house.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the intelligence comes from this. This is where it needs, basically this is relay. Again, there is no software here. Software will switch off the switch which is behind this, okay, which works on 5 volts. Raspberry Pi works on 5 volts. Okay, this we are going to program. If you are interested, I can introduce you. It takes hardly 2 hours to learn this trick. Even if you have not seen Raspberry Pi, okay, in 2 hours you can do it. I am sure you have more than 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very easy. It takes only 6 lines of code to switch off or switch on a light. These 2 pins over there, each pin has its own configuration. There is what is called as a GPIO, this is called general purpose input output pin, and there is a ground pin. So there are 40 pins here, and there are quite a few of them are powered, where you can control, you can switch off or switch on each of these leads. Okay, it takes only 6 lines of code. Rest they have already coded and it's available as part of Raspberry Pi. We just use the library function, and all you need is set on or off. Okay, if you don't want this voice, it takes only 6 lines of code. If you want voice only, then it becomes slightly complicated, because then you have to learn how to translate speech to text. That's a bit complicated. And by the way, tomorrow if you come, I will introduce you a couple of students who are in 9th standard. Then one kid in Germany who Momshi mentioned, he is in 6th standard. They have already done this. They have already done this speech to text conversion in 9th standard. Okay. Look at whom you are competing with. If you don't get your job in next 3 years, they will also come and take away your jobs.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am not scaring you. I am telling you there are so many resources available in the world, so easy to learn, and there are volunteers who are ready to guide you in your home. Look at it, you did not even step out of your home today.
Yes, sir.
So you can just thank Vijaya College for bringing us together. Okay, now look at the advantage. All you need to is just, again I mentioned earlier, only your interest is limiting you. And I am surprised, there is another girl who is in 5th standard in Baldwin Girls School who is also attending. Tomorrow she is even agreed to teach the kids on machine learning. I am not joking. I will forward you after this session the message which she has sent me. She is ready to teach machine learning.
Hello, sir.
Helpa.
Is this secure about?
Hello, what is that? Do you have a question? Hello, can you announce your name and tell me what you want? Okay. Apeksha, anything else you want to learn or no?
Hello?
No, sir, that's all.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, go ahead, ask your question.
Sir, actually,
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್,
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಅದೇ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ನನಗೆ
ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾ ಇಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
there are various smart plugs. So just smart plug is a generic name. So if you just tell me smart plug, it will not help. You can just WhatsApp me after this, giving me the exact link so that I know what exactly you are talking about. Okay, since you talked about smart plug, here is one smart plug. Okay, this connects by Bluetooth, and this again controls the light switch. Okay, whereas here this one which I showed you, this has to be plugged to Raspberry Pi, then only it will work, whereas this does not need Raspberry Pi, this will directly work. But here you are not learning anything. You are paying somebody who has already coded and put inside this. This costs 7,000 rupees. This costs 80 rupees. Which one you want? 80 rupees and do the hard work yourself, which is free, or pay 7,000 and buy that piece of code here from the market. Choice is yours. If you buy this, it won't give you any employment, whereas if you buy this and do it yourself, hopefully this will give you a job, and it costs less also. You saw the difference, right, between smart plug and not so smart plug?
Yes, sir.
So you can make it this smart by using your smartness. Okay. Anything else? What do you want to learn, Prajwal? Are you learning Python now?
No, sir. Actually, just now I am in final year BCA, same Vijaya Composite College.
So you're liking it?
Yes, sir.
Is it too tough or too easy?
No, sir. It's easy, I think.
If it is easy, then you have a lot of competition, no? What do you want to do after BCA?
Might be MBA or MCA.
Okay. Then both are totally different, right? Having spent in BCA, you should do MCA, right?
Yeah.
You can do MBA once you finish your all technology learning. Now today's session I wanted to connect business with technology. Even though I did partially with Raspberry Pi, actual trigger for this is this one. Let me spend another half an hour. Uma madam, can I take another half an hour?
Sure, sir.
Let me open this. Now I am going to speak only pure English. There is no technology, okay? So that it should be easy for you to speak. And now all of you who are not spoken, please speak out. Can one of you unmute and tell me what you are seeing here?
BCA first semester learning by doing 14 September 2020.
Who is this?
So our colleges,
Who
sir,
is this?
Vamshi, sir.
Vamshi, only you are speaking. Give chance to others also, no?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, and I have a doubt, sir. Can you please? Sir, will you teach us the code, sir? So the magical code behind that.
You want me to teach? You want me to teach, or you want me to give you pointers so that you can learn on your own?
So you just give me a pointer, sir, which we can learn by our own.
Yeah, I will do it because I have limited bandwidth, right? I also have my family.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sorry.
So I will give you a pointer. Don't worry. If you have still doubt, I will help you.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
That's why I showed you the YouTube screen where I learned from.
Sir.
I did not go to Steve Jobs to learn. Yeah, anybody, whoever has not spoken, can you please unmute and speak? Because I want to have a conversation. Otherwise, no point giving you a UGC television movie.
Hello, sir.
Helma.
This is Sophia.
Yeah, Sophia.
Yeah, so I'm studying in final year BCA in Vijaya Composite College. So yeah, I can read this.
Yeah. Now let me tell you. Okay. So
Hello?
when you see, Sophia, when you see this bus, what does it come to your mind?
A red bus which is used for traveling. Escorting people from one place to another.
So I'm just okay. Let me connect the dot. And you are seeing some more name. It says some travels, right? Sri Sairam Travels. Something Sriram Bus, SairamBus.com or something.
Yeah.
What that com might be doing?
Running a travels business.
So that's a .com, right? Let me just go to that .com. Looks like it is srisairam.com. srisairam.bus.com. Sorry. Not opened. Sri Sairam Bus. Is it the one or something else? Okay, let me. This is. I don't want to get into some issue. Let me go to redbus.com. Huh. Yeah, Sophia. So here, what is this?
Yes, sir.
What is this? You are seeing redbus.com, right?
Yeah.
What is this?
Actually, no, sir. I'm not seeing. I'm seeing the same previous travel with sir. I'm not seeing anything.
One second, let me share. Let me share my screen. Huh.
Yeah. It's a website.
Website built by whom?
Redbus.
Okay. No, it's built by engineers or BCA graduates like you.
I guess programmers.
Do you consider yourself to be one or no?
In making, I guess.
Okay, yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, so I just want to visualize if Redbus offers you a job to come up with this portal.
Okay.
I'm not going to ask you any technology question because it's unfair. Let me ask you the business question.
Okay.
Why will Redbus wants a portal like this?
So people can connect with them.
What happens in the traditional way if there was no portal? How will you go? How will you travel?
Obviously, like searching for a phone number to connect with them.
Yeah, either you will go to their office.
Yeah, office.
That is the traditional brick and mortar we call brick and mortar model.
Yes.
Okay, and even in KSRTC we used to do that. We used to go to KSRTC bus stand and book it. Now, what is the advantage of coming with the portal?
You can like sit at home and do the bookings.
That is the customer side.
Okay.
What is the advantage for Redbus?
Then which point of view I need to tell, sir? Okay, Redbus.
Redbus point.
Okay.
What is the advantage? Why did they invest at least some couple of lakh rupees to come up with this portal?
Sorry, sir, your audio got cut.
Okay, they invested couple of lakh rupees to come up with this portal. Why did they invest?
Yeah. So that they can gain more customers.
How will they gain more customers? They can gain through their office also, no? Through their...
Yeah, but this is like easy, no, sir, for customers to just go online on the phone and do the booking. So through that, they can gain more customers.
Sir, they can save their time.
No, you have to announce your name. You cannot just intrude.
Prajwal, sir.
Prajwal. Sophia is talking. No, wait. I meant until I give chance to you. Sophia. One is more customer. Why will more customer come?
I guess the exposure because of this.
How will, for example, have you booked any ticket with Redbus so far?
No, not really.
Have you heard of them?
Yeah, I have.
But even then, you did not book through Redbus.
Yeah, never got the chance.
That means they did not get Sophia as their customer.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm just curious. Then how will they get more customer? Because you did not go for it. Who will go for it?
I don't know.
Do you think Redbus has any buses with them?
Yeah.
If I say no, they don't have any buses.
Oh.
Do you think Ola has any cars with them? Do you think Ola or Uber has any cars with them? Huh?
I used to, yeah.
But today I am telling you, you have to trust me. Ola or Uber or Redbus don't own any buses.
Oh.
SRS Travels owns the buses. Sairam Travels owns the buses.
Oh.
KSRTC owns the buses, but not these people. What is these people then?
They provide seats or something?
They provide a portal.
Okay. They provide portal. Okay.
Portal is a marketplace.
Okay. Now I'm getting it.
What is a marketplace? Amazon is a marketplace. Amazon doesn't manufacture TVs. Amazon doesn't manufacture books.
Yeah.
Amazon doesn't manufacture Raspberry Pi. What is it then? It's a marketplace.
It's a marketplace, exactly.
No, marketplace is the English I gave you. What is a marketplace?
Where like the products, I don't know how to explain it, but
explain in whichever language you are comfortable. Kannada, Hindi, English, I know all of them.
It's like sponsoring kind of a thing. Like
anybody else want to take a guess? What is a marketplace? What is Amazon? Prajwal?
Hello, sir.
Helpa. What is a marketplace?
Sir, the marketplace is the place where we can find all the products. Sir.
No. Why will you find?
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Helma. Announce your name first.
I'm Chaitranjali.
Chaitranjali.
Yeah.
Chaitranjali.
So marketplace where they provide customers to the main like Redbus. They have portal, no? So ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ book ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ customers so ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋದಂಗೆ. So they are like mediators like that.
Kiran.
One ನಿಮಿಷ. I have muted everybody. Yeah, Sainam, you have to unmute and speak. Chaitranjali, unmute.
Okay. So
yes,
let's look at another example. All of you, I'm sure most of you would go to the grocery shops, right?
Yes, sir.
Buy things. What do you think is a grocery shop? What do they do? What are they doing?
They'll just resell the fruits and vegetables, whatever.
Right? Selling fruits and vegetables. What are the business they are into? How exactly they do their business? If somebody can explain how the business works.
Hello, sir.
Actually, they'll buy their. Excuse me, Vamshi, I'm talking. Yeah, actually, they'll buy the groceries in the market at low price, and they will make it a little high price. Like if some fruit is like 20 rupees, they'll make it as a 25. So like that, they'll start reselling groceries to the people, so that they can make profits.
Good. So do you find only one kind of let's say you take salt, okay, or you take biscuits. In the shop, do you find only one kind of a biscuits or different kind of biscuits?
A different kind of biscuits.
Where are they coming from?
So they'll come from their particular, what will say for that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, if it is like from Britannia company, so all those things will come from their original owners.
Right. So do you find only Britannia company?
No. There's a lot of companies.
Right. So the lot of companies' products are available at the grocery shop, correct?
Yeah.
Somebody mentioned a word called mediator. Somebody.
It's me also, sir.
Right. So exactly. So what is a grocery shop doing? It is doing the mediation.
Yeah.
What is Britannia company does? What do they do?
They'll manufacture it.
Excellent. They're manufacturing. So, do manufacturers sell their products directly to the end customer?
No.
So they operate through shops, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Which are intermediaries or mediators, as exactly said. So
Yes.
you also hear a word called aggregators. So they are doing the business of intermediation. So they don't do any manufacturing. Do they do farming? They sell tur dal, they sell gram, bread. Do does the grocery shop actually do the farming and business?
No, they don't.
Right? So they are a aggregator or an intermediary, right?
Yes,
So there are called these grocery shops, physical grocery shops which you go to, they are called mortar shops. That means they're actually physical shop, not brick and mortar. They're physically, somebody built the shop and somebody visits them physically and goes and picks them up. Correct?
Oh, yes, sir.
Now, with the advent of the computers, people discover that someone really has to go to physically to go to a shop to buy things. Can we avoid that? That is where this all e-commerce business has started. As you said, your Redbus or any of these things which you see, Flipkart, all of them are shops on the computers. Instead of going to the physical shop, you're actually going to the shop on the computer and you're buying them. They are playing the exact role your grocery shop is doing, just that they are working in the cloud. Right?
Yes, sir.
That is the aggregation these companies are doing.
Yeah, thanks, Sainam. Yeah, now in the interest of time, let's move ahead. Now, Chaitranjali and Sophia, to your question, how will they get more customer? How will they get more business? Why will they invest on this portal? Because if you go to a, let's say, if you have a counter in the, let's say, bus stand. One second, let me mute. Hold on. Let me complete and then I will give you the option to talk. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you have, let's say, counters in the bus stand or a railway station or in Jayanagar complex, a Vidya complex, etc., you have to man it. Means you have to invest in the real estate. You have to put a person there. And even if let's say in Jayanagar 4th block, you put a counter where Redbus tickets will be sold or SRS Travels tickets will be sold, then how many people can go? 100 people can go in 1 hour. Okay. Now, what happens if 200 people come? So there will be when a new movie gets released, why will there's a rush? Why will not everybody get the ticket? Okay. And if you start selling only SRS buses and only there are, let's say, one bus will get sold out in just after 60 people take 60 tickets or 65 tickets. Now, what Redbus does is, it is aggregator. It has information about buses being operated by all the operators or let's say by 100 operators. Then obviously their number of buses which Redbus is offering will suddenly shoot up to, let's say, 1000. That means you have a choice to choose buses from 1000 options to go from place A to place B. That's what you are not interested in a particular, if you don't have any brand loyalty, you don't care, you all want to get transported from place A to place B. It doesn't matter whether it is Manjunatha Travel, SRS or KRS or KSRTC, right? So this is the marketplace which has made it possible. Now let's look at from the Redbus angle. Now what you are seeing on the screen, okay, they would like to expand so that they get more customers. How will they get more customers? Yeah, one is this internet based portal where you have to use a laptop or a desktop and go and search for this HTTP www.redbus.com. But how will you know? Yes, as Bharat is commenting, you will know by advertisement. Either they will advertisement, either nowadays it's so common to see the advertisements on Google or YouTube or Facebook or even TV or radio, etc. Okay. So, or in movies, they used to screen in the beginning or at the end, etc. So, there are various newspapers. So, by advertisement, they will reach out. Otherwise, if you just go and open let's say Sophia.com, nobody will come to know unless you advertise. Or even VHS, Vijaya College comes, let's say they start the bus services, nobody will come to know. They think they associate Vijaya College with only education. Okay. So what if they want to start basically bus service for, they can even start with their own students first. Okay. So like this, technology allows you to create a portal and to reach out to thousands and thousands of customers across, at least across the state, and once it's on internet, the place doesn't matter. You can even book from America. Okay. So now can you unmute one of you, Sophia or Chaitranjali? Can you tell me what did you learn from this explanation?
Yes, this is Sophia.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's basically like technology and business are like interconnected. We can do business through technology and help it grow. Yeah, sir.
What are you reading here in red color?
Chances are your biggest problem isn't technical. Chances are your biggest problem isn't technical. Okay.
What does it mean? What do you understand? Because it's a popular quote which I picked up from internet.
Yeah. Yes. Can I? I'm Chaitra.
Yeah, Chaitra, go ahead.
Yeah. Does that mean that we shouldn't take more chances? Chances are biggest.
No. Sophia, what's your understanding from this English? Sophia?
Yes, sir. It means like technology has
Anybody else? Vamshi, would you like to give a try? What does this sentence mean? Chances are, there is a comma in between.
So the chances are biggest problem isn't technical, right, sir? So getting a chance isn't biggest problem, sir. It is not like this one. So
no, for example, you invested let's say 50 lakh rupees to come up with this rocket science solution. Look at it on the right side. These are all actually various deliverables which we do as part of implementing any large project. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's say you went and created a portal hosted on Amazon services. You created a mobile cloud first mobile based solution. A lot of things you did. You hired some 20 engineers to do it. Right? Yes. Afterwards, even then, business did not take off. Do you blame technology for that?
No, sir.
Yeah, that's what it means. Okay. Whenever there is let's say the site is not working, then of course there could be a direct correlation to the technology. But your business is not doing well. You see in papers, right? A lot of business going down.
Yes, sir. We see.
Okay, then do you think Netflix is a technology company or a movie company?
So Netflix is a technology company, so it's not a movie company, I think.
No, I did not get you. Is it a technology?
Yes, sir. It's a technology company, sir. It's not a movie company, I think.
Yeah, that's true. In fact, they have released a lot of software which quite a few of us are also using. Okay, why did they rely on technology?
I don't know, sir.
Guess no. Netflix is an American company. Do you think I can still go with the DVD and Blu-ray and those things? Nobody even knows where is DVD now.
Yes, sir. No one knows. But just within a single click in the Netflix, so we can find n number of the movies, sir. So all over the world.
How is it coming from all the way from America to Bangalore to your house in click of a button?
Sir, it's just because of technology what they have used, sir.
Yeah, it's not rocket science. Can you guess what technology is that?
Vikas, sir.
Yeah. What is that?
Vikas, sir.
Yeah, Vikas, helpa.
Sir, I think like it uses data analytics, sir. Like when we log in through our ID and all, if you see watch our like if we watch cartoons only, then all the description will be like cartoons only. It will be appearing like it will be showing us.
Very good observation. Yeah, data analytics is one part of it, but I am asking how did it come? How? It is thousands of miles away, right? America. All these movies.
Just because of this one, marketing. Just because of marketing.
No.
And the publishing.
That's about how do you come to know and how they have millions and millions of customers. That's okay. I'm just talking about technology. How is it a movie released, let's say a Hollywood movie, which got released today morning, how I am able to see it in next 1 hour here sitting thousands of miles away?
Because of through satellites.
Yeah. What is that? How is it coming? It comes almost at the speed of light, no?
Yes, sir.
What waves are there? Are they?
So I think those are magnetic waves, I think. So I don't know exactly.
Yeah, you have to add electro also.
So electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiations.
Yeah, electromagnetic waves.
Yeah.
Okay, it travels almost at the speed of light.
Yes, sir.
And interestingly, our movie also comes through that.
Yes, sir.
Very interesting, right?
Yes, sir. It's so interesting.
Who will learn about that?
So I am interested in that, sir. I can learn.
Yeah. Nowadays, high school students are learning. If we all learned about electromagnetism, electromagnetic waves.
Can PUC, I think.
Yeah. But then we forgot about it.
Yes, sir. Completely.
Then Netflix is charging you 700 rupees per month to entertain you using the same waves. Right? Interesting, right? Even though we can be the creator, we have just become consumers.
Yes, sir.
Why did we become like that?
So because of the laziness?
No. Because of we did not show interest. It's not lazy because you are doing something else interesting, right?
Yes, sir. So that's true.
So yeah. Don't demean yourself. You're all creative folks and you're doing something interesting. Yeah, might not be you're not interested in this area, but now that I have told you, there is many things which you can do. I'm sure one of you or two of you will pick it up this area and study further. And this is another interesting book which I have read, 97 Things Every Software Architect Should Know. Even though they talk about software architect, not necessarily, it's all pure English. You can also buy this book. It's available just for 200 rupees and see what is that 97 things they are talking about. Okay, even you can learn. It's not rocket science, by the way. There is no Java, Python or C in that book. Pure English. Like this. Chances are these are all basically renowned personalities who are talking about what things go into building a huge portal. I'm just curious, when Amazon announces $1 billion day, what does it mean to you? Now let me give chance to somebody else who has not spoken till now. Can you unmute and announce your name and tell me, when Amazon says $1 billion day sales is coming, what do they mean? Can one of you unmute and Kanchana, are you there? Can you unmute and speak? It's all English. Don't. I'm not asking you any technology question. When you see the advertisement, $1 billion day, what does it mean? Yeah, anybody can answer. Anybody? Vamshi, any idea?
No idea, sir.
No, what do you understand when you read this paper advertisement, $1 billion day sales is coming? Are they giving $1 billion a day free of cost?
No, sir, they are not giving. But the prices will drop, sir. So on certain products, so they will be dropping some prices, sir. So that is only for just few minutes or few hours. That's it.
Yeah. Prices will drop. As a result, what happens?
So as a result,
what is that $1
Sir,
billion?
I think
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, sir. As the price drops, so the number of people will start to take it, sir.
Yeah. So $1 billion day means $1 billion of sales happens.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So $1 billion sales happen means they need millions of customers. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When millions of customers come in, what happens? Will the load on the site be same or more or lot?
So the load on the site will be more, sir.
If you don't architect it properly, what will happen to the site?
So the site will get hanged.
It will. The normal word which we use is site will crash.
Yes, sir. It will crash.
So that means somebody should have planned for bigger, robust machine. Right?
Yes, sir.
Any guesses? What do you mean by robust machine? Can we do Amazon.com on this? Can we do it on this?
We can.
No, we can, but will it take the load?
So no, sir. No, it will not take it.
Yeah, that means you need a powerful machine.
Yes, sir.
How do you measure the power of a machine?
By the speed, sir. Speed of the RAM.
Speed is one. RAM has no speed, by the way. It's CPU which has the speed. CPU has to do the computation. RAM will just store. What is the expansion of RAM?
Random access memory.
So memory is just a memory. It won't do any computation. It's your CPU which will do the computation.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by robust machine? Do you have better CPU or more CPU? More RAM?
So I think better CPU, sir. Better CPU, I think.
Yeah. Anyway, just to cut the story short, you need more CPU as well. Better and more. Anyway, better I will have a limit, right? I cannot have now if it is Intel, the latest version, if they say i7 or i9 or whatever they call, we cannot go beyond that, right? We can go at best, let's say i9 or i8, whatever they have.
Yes.
But afterwards what? That's not also enough. It cannot handle 10 million. Then you need for more CPU, more machines. This is called scaling. Have you heard about this scalability?
No, sir. No, I didn't.
Yeah. Now you know, right?
Yes.
So it has to be scalable. That means it should be capable of increasing number of machines. It should be capable of increasing more memory. That is where the cloud will come in. What do you mean by cloud?
So the place where the data stores, sir. The data stores and we can retrieve the data.
Any public cloud can you name?
So Amazon, sir. Amazon.
Amazon is a marketplace, no?
Amazon is a public cloud.
Amazon also has a cloud. What is it called?
So I just know the name called Amazon Cloud. That's it, sir. Not more.
Yeah, that's true. Amazon. It's called. It works on the name AWS, Amazon Web Services.
AWS. Okay, sir.
And Google.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Google Cloud Platform, GCP they call it.
GCP, Google Cloud. Okay, sir.
Microsoft.
Don't know, sir.
Azure, AZURE, Azure.
Azure. Okay.
IBM has IBM Cloud. Earlier they were calling by the name IBM Bluemix. These are all called public clouds. Advantage with any of these clouds is, let's say tomorrow Vijaya College wants to host all of your content on AWS. I am sure already they are hosting your assessment on AWS. So I have just muted all. If anybody wants to speak, you have to unmute again. So your Vijaya College is already having your online tests on AWS, by the way. Whatever online tests your high school students are taking, it's on AWS, Amazon Web Services. That's on public cloud. Advantage with that is you can access anywhere on any device. Okay. Another advantage is it will scale up automatically. When these millions become billions, or when 100 become 1,000 become million, it will automatically instantiate more servers and more RAM. That's how they are able to scale seamlessly. Okay, now let me quickly close the story which I was telling about this. Let me share it again. Okay, this we want to give to you, all of you BCS students, so that you also learn while doing. This is a problem statement which I am explaining to you. Okay, first I introduce you to this online portal, which is VHS Bus Services, is a fictitious name. Okay, so what you need to do is, anyway, we will also guide you how to go about it. The way looks like you will not be able to do it on your own, as I understood from where you are today. We will also guide you. What do you mean by this search services? Search by location means what? Search by bus category means what? Anyway, this is pure English. This you can make out. Just go to redbus.com. You will see all these features. So you will understand. We will introduce you probably in the next session what technologies are used for to give each of these functionality. You can code it from the basics, whether it is Java or Spring Boot or Angular, or that's another thing which I wanted to introduce you today. There is a popular technology called MEAN. MEAN. It stands for, M stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express.js. JS is JavaScript. Okay, A stands for Angular, again JavaScript. N stands for Node, another JavaScript, Node.js. Okay, Node acts as your application server, whereas Angular is used for front end. Okay, Express is used for communication. Mongo is used to store the data. And then Mongo is also comes under another category of database called NoSQL database. Traditionally, what you would have heard and learned is relational database, RDBMS, whereas MongoDB comes in the category NoSQL. I will share more details probably in the next session. Then you need to build these functionalities, bus schedule, etc., etc. SMS is another technology. Any guesses what is SMS? Full form? Sophia? What is the full form of SMS? We keep hearing SMS.
Yes, short message service.
Very good. Yeah, SMS has a simple another technology which supports SMS. Again, we will use GSM or any other technologies which is used to create this, because again we have to do it automatically from the back end. Then we have to send reminders through SMS or email. That how do you do it? So we'll introduce you to all these technologies. Good part is all of them are open source and available on internet. You can just do Google, you will find out. Okay, now that you know what to Google it for, you can just do Google for entire thing. You can in fact you can build a solution using just Google, because there are a lot of good Samaritans in the world who have already created this for you. Okay, you can go and figure it out yourself before the next session. Then registered users can see the current location of the bus. Okay, it's not Bush. On the map, assume Google Map and assume each bus has a GPS. I'm not sure how many of you have leveraged the services of Google Map, where you can go and create your own map. Basically, you can point where your school is, where your home is, where your hometown is. So you can create your own layers, and you can have your own markers on the Google map, and you can create your own version of it, which you can refer and share it with your relatives and friends, so that they know basically the location of your relatives, etc. Again, be a word of caution: don't make it public, so that people can get to know where your home, everything is there. Okay, but technology allows you to figure out basically to create your own maps. Then architecture decisions, again we will let you know how do you take these decisions, and what goes into deciding this technology. How do you choose the web server? What is this 3-tier message queue microservices? We will tell you. None of this is rocket science. None of this is only taught only for engineers. Anybody can learn. What is logical technology? Again, if you do Google, there is enough information on all of these terminology. Okay, you create a PowerPoint presentation explaining all of this. So, acknowledgements, Infosys volunteers of Samarpan. Okay. Yeah, any questions? I think I will stop here and I will clarify any questions in next 5 minutes and before we wind up today's session. Anybody can ask any question now. You can also ask your career related questions as well. ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್ ಹೊಸದು ಕಲ್ತಂಗಾಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Anybody else has any question? Let me also take some question on the chat window. If anybody has, if you don't have mic, you can just type in the chat window. Bharat Kumar has been consistently chatting. Thanks, Bharat.
We create problems. ನಮಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
Any questions?
Hello, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ.
Sir, how to contact you, sir? So, if you have anything to ask me.
Let me type my WhatsApp number here. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Sorry, 7760885511. This is my WhatsApp number. So just message me because this is has only messages. I won't take calls on this. This voice service is not active on this number.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you can ask any question. This whether it is technology or business or career, etc. If you are shy, you can chat in the chat window. If you are shy to ask. I still see 33 of you are on the call. Feel free. Uma madam, over to you. ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್
Yeah, go
ವಿಜಯ್
ahead.
ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್.
ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸರಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸರಿ ನಿಮ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಗೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದ್ರಿಂದಾನೇ ಭಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವ ಸರ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಗಳು, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ, ಒಂದ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಒಂದ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
Yeah, today I covered about how technology is helping business. I also told you how Python will help you to do whatever the high-tech thing like controlling a light, or Python can also be used to build a portal.
sir.
Python is one of the popular programming languages.
Yes, sir.
Start with Python, implement these simple use cases which I just introduced you today. Then your job is assured. Will that help you?
Yes, sir. I think so.
Yeah, if I don't give you job, somebody else will give you.
Sure, sir.
So you have to do hard work, man.
Yes, sir.
Because there is no Dharma Chatra, right? You know what is Dharma Chatra, no?
Good, sir.
Nobody is doing social service.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you have to show your worth. Why will somebody have to hire you?
Yes, sir.
That means you should be able to give you some value to them. The value will come through either your effort or through your knowledge. If it is effort, there are 1.2 or 1.3 billion people here in India alone to give you the effort, but nobody needs that effort. We have access. Everybody needs your knowledge. Can you tell me one simple difference? You have seen Upahara Darshini coffee and coffee or Starbucks coffee. Coffee is coffee. Coffee is coffee. Why will anybody pay 300 rupees to Starbucks to drink the same coffee whereas they pay only 10 rupees in Upahara Darshini? Is it fair or unfair?
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರಂಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿರೋರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ದುಡ್ಡಿಲ್ದಿರೋರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ದುಡ್ಡಿರೋರು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಹೋಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಹುಂಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ?
ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Why will PVR is charging you 300 rupees for the popcorn where ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಆರ್ ಜಯನಗರ್ 4th ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪಾಪ್ಕಾರ್ನ. PVR ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ ಹೋದವರು 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಲೇಸ್ ಹಂಗಿದೆ, ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. It is ethical, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is not a con game. It is allowed legally by the government, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing with anything you do. Whether you want to go for a haircut or an ice cream or for a pizza,
yes, sir.
So you can find pizzas for 50 rupees or 500 rupees.
Yes, sir.
The difference is the value which you perceive.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The value, how did the value come in? What is the value which Cafe Coffee Day or Starbucks is adding?
ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಅದೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
No, this is negative way of looking at it. It won't help you. If you are, let's say you learned from, let's say Starbucks. Tomorrow, yes, if you are a owner of a Starbucks, you feel good or bad?
Good, sir.
Why do you feel good? Because thousands and millions of people are appreciating your business.
Yes, sir.
Today, Apple sells the iPhone for more than $1 lakh. Is it good or bad?
Good, sir.
So, if you are a CEO of an Apple company or a owner, shareholder of an Apple company, you feel good, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then why will Apple charge more? That means they have convinced the people that they are adding more value. The value need not have to be material value. That's one mistake which all of us do with little knowledge about the world. The value comes through your experience. Experience is also equally important there as the material, or probably more valued than a material. Right?
Yes, sir.
Nobody
Yes,
buys
sir.
the phone by kg. Nobody. People buy it for features, for experience, by the way. Everybody
Yes,
has the
sir.
features, by the way. All the features of iPhone is also available in Samsung phone or Micromax. But
Yes,
even
sir.
then, people are ready to pay more for experience. That means they are delivering value. How can you deliver value to yourself or to the organization? How can you deliver value to Vijaya College where you are studying? Tell me.
Sir?
How can you deliver value to Vijaya College?
Okay.
Vijaya
Don't know,
Composite
sir.
College? By scoring highest marks.
Yes, sir.
Who will feel good? You will feel good. Vijaya College also will feel good. Uma Madam also will feel good, right? If you go and score 100%. If you go and get placed in very good enterprise, who will feel good?
Both of us, sir.
Everybody will feel good. That's how you can add value to yourself and to the college as of today. Tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
wherever you land up your job, then you will start adding value to that enterprise.
Yes, sir.
And this value is not something which you can go and buy in the market, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is value which you have to create. How will you create? By learning.
Yes, sir.
At this age, you are in a golden age, whereas if I learn more, it's not of much value to me as of today. My salary will not increase just because I went and learned, let's say, some Swift language. Right? The expectation from me, from my organization is totally different.
Yes, sir.
They don't pay me for learning new things.
Yeah, yes, sir.
They pay me for training more people. Okay, whereas your value will increase if you learn more.
Yes, sir.
So now you saw the difference, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Between your seniors and yourself.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Very soon you will go and compete with your senior and take away their jobs also if you are smart.
Yes, sir.
But anyway, I am not looking negatively. I want a world where all of you will get the job.
Yes, sir.
There is enough jobs in the world. Unfortunately, we are not able to hire even though we have vacant positions. Okay, don't think there are no jobs. There are jobs, but the skills are not matching. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Uma madam, over to you.
Thank you very much, sir. I would like to thank Kiran sir and his team for this wonderful informative session for our students. Thank you so much, sir. I will also thank our President Shri K.C. Raghunandan sir for giving us this opportunity. And I thank our staff members for joined in this session and the students. And for the students, I want to give one more information. Every Sunday, Kiran sir is conducting at 11 o'clock. He is conducting a very useful session, very good session, and he is discussing many new things in that. If you please, I'll send the link to all of you. You join the session and get benefited from that. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thanks, everybody, and have a nice day, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.